Setting public holidays in Microsoft Project ensures that non-working days are accounted for in the project schedule, helping you plan accurately. Here's how to set public holidays. Open your project. Launch Microsoft Project. Open the project file where you want to set public holidays. Access Project Calendar. Go to Project tab. Click on the Project tab on the toolbar. Select Change Working Time. In the Properties group, click Change Working Time. This opens the calendar settings where you can adjust working and non-working days. Select the calendar. Choose Calendar. In the For Calendar drop-down, select the project calendar or any custom calendar you want to modify. Add public holidays. Set non-working days. In the Change Working Time window, select the date you want to mark as public holidays. Click Exceptions tab. In the Exceptions tab, enter a name for the public holiday and set the start and finish dates. Microsoft Project will automatically treat these dates as non-working days. Save changes. Click OK. Once you've added all the public holidays, click OK to save the changes.